Hi, I'm Philip Duncan. Thank you very much for joining us. Well, we're tracking high pressure around the country at the moment. It is still warmer than average almost everywhere, and it is mostly calm. Although we've got a bit of a northwest breeze at the moment blowing around Cook Strait, Wellington, parts of Wairarapa. So keep that in mind with fireworks and Guy Fawkes tonight. Let's take a look just out to our east. I wanted to share this with you because I saw this morning, and this is a huge area of low pressure. There is New Zealand, so this is just off the eastern side of us, several times the size of us, but it is not affecting us. I just wanted to share it because it's quite a large system, but as I said, we are under high pressure, so the winds are mostly light and we're not looking at any stormy weather, not until about the weekend, and that's when we might see some severe weather. So for Wednesday, high pressure is in charge, but we've still got some of that wet weather moving up around the west coast, maybe a couple of showers spilling over to Canterbury, but it won't be much. Look at the wind flow coming out of the subtropics, which means another warmer than average day in many parts of the country, but especially the North Island. On Thursday, no real change. That's Fiji. That's the airflow. So as you can expect, it's going to be warm and warmer than average, especially in eastern areas of both islands, because no matter how you look at it, it is a nor'wester. By the end of the week, no real change, although getting a few showers in the forecast now for Friday. So a couple of showers here and there, bit of patchy rain on the west coast, subtropical winds for the North Island, Australian nor'westers for the South Island. It's a warm end to the working week. So as we go into the weekend, these rain clouds are starting to line up. The west coast, you got 3 or 4 days of rain on the way for the western side there, and the totals will be quite big. We've got big, strong nor'westers. They'll be up to gale force in exposed areas. There might be wind and rain warnings issued on Saturday as a result of that, but it's warm. Subtropical winds or Australian nor'westers. And our final map for Sunday shows that rain band with the subtropical side of it triggering some heavier downpours. We've also got very strong winds up to gale force at times, low pressure forming around the lower South Island, high pressure off to the east, and that makes for a squash zone. So the weather forecast this weekend does look interesting. We'll keep a close eye on it. That's all from me. We have no video on Wednesday. We will see you again on Thursday.